Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened Instagram, seen someone your age doing crazy impressive things, and suddenly your whole chest just drops? Your brain goes, bro, what am I even doing with my life? Am I too late? Why is everyone ahead of me? Yeah, if you felt that recently, this video is literally for you. Before 2026 comes rushing in, before you waste another year feeling behind, let's fix this together. Stay with me. This might be the mindset shift you've been needing. The real reason you feel behind. Here's a secret nobody told us growing up. You don't feel behind because you are behind. You feel behind because you're comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel, their parents' money, and their lucky timing. And that's a battle you'll never win. Think about it. Someone your age is traveling the world. Someone your age is in med school. Someone your age is running a business. Someone your age is getting engaged. And someone your age is lying in bed watching videos, panicking just like you. But you only see the first group. Your brain zooms out on your wins and zooms in on everyone else's. That's why you feel behind. Not because you're doing bad, but because you're looking sideways instead of forward. Mini cliffhanger, the scary truth. Here's the scary part. If you keep doing this, 2026 will hit you the same way 2025 did. Another year. Gone. And nothing changes. But here's the good news. You're one decision away from a completely different 2026. Let me show you how. The first step is something I call the 48-hour reset for the next 2 days. 1. Clean your digital world. Delete the apps you doom scroll. Unfollow people you compare yourself to. Mute the noise. 2. Reset your physical space. Messy room? Overloaded desk? Clothes everywhere? Fix it. A messy environment tricks your brain into thinking your life is a mess. 3. Fix your sleep. Not perfect, just consistent. 1 bedtime, 1 wake-up time. You can't build a new life with a tired brain. This reset won't solve everything, but it gives you the stability to start. Stop trying to rebuild your whole life in 1 week. That's why you burn out. Instead, break your goals into micro wins. Tiny actions that create instant momentum. Examples: 10 minutes of studying, 5 push-ups, 1 job application, drinking water instead of soda, reading 2 pages, cleaning 1 corner of your room, sending that 1 overdue email. They look small, but these micro wins tell your brain, hey, we take action now. That identity shift is the real glow-up. Let's be honest, you don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need 1 small win today. Once you get the first one, the next becomes easier. Momentum beats motivation every single time. Here's the part that might sting. You cannot catch up to someone living a completely different life. Different money, different family, different opportunities, different problems, different timeline. You and that person aren't in the same race. You're not even on the same track. So shift from catch-up mode to build mode. Building looks like learning 1 tiny skill, improving your habits, stacking micro wins, showing up daily, focusing on your timeline, doing what you can with what you have. Your life doesn't get better when you sprint. It gets better when you walk, consistently. Most people think a new year magically resets everything. It doesn't. Your 2026 starts the moment you decide it starts, and that could be right now. Ask yourself, what would my 2026 self thank me for doing today? Maybe it's 20 minutes of studying. Maybe it's a walk. Maybe it's drinking water. Maybe it's taking a shower to reset your brain. Maybe it's writing 3 simple goals. Not big goals, not complicated goals. Just 3 small moves that push you forward. Here's the truth. You don't need a perfect year. You need 3 to 5 months of focus to completely change your life. And 2026 has 12. You have more time than you think. Listen, you're not behind. You're early in your story. You're building. You're learning. You're figuring it out. And the fact that you're watching this means you care. You want to grow. You want 2026 to be different. And that's already enough to start. Tonight, not tomorrow, get one micro win, just one. Clean your desk, drink water, read 2 pages, anything. That's your first step into a better year. If this helped, drop "I'm ready for 2026" in the comments so I know you're starting fresh with me. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe so we can level up together. Let's make 2026 the year you finally take control. You got this. I'm with you.